So I will show you the magnesium ribbon. Student, this is, you can see that it is a magnesium ribbon. Are you able to see it carefully? Are you able to see it, student? It is a magnesium ribbon. So what I have to do here, I am just burning the magnesium ribbon. This is burner flame and I am just burning the magnesium ribbon. So you can see that. Is it any kind of spark is available? I just burning it. You can see that, student, it is burned. So I just put the water here. You can see that it is burned. And after the magnesium ribbon is completely burned, I just pour inside the water. And if I stir it, you can see that, student, the remaining magnesium, the rest you can see that it is come in the form of ash. Is it visible in your water? Is it visible? Are you able to see? So I will show you. Is it visible, student? You can see the ashes here. Are you able to see the ashes here, students? You can see the ash here. So it is converted. So in this reaction, what we have to find out, student, you can see that number of reactant. How many number of reactant is already given? The number of reactant is 1 and 2. Two atoms are reacting, magnesium and oxygen. There are 2 reactants. How many products? Can anybody give me the number of products? Number of product is 1. Very good. What is the number of product is formed? Is formed magnesium oxide. Correct? MgO, magnesium oxide. Can anybody give me what is the interesting feature of this? Interesting feature. Can anybody give me that answer? What is the interesting feature? आपको क्या अच्छा लगा? Interesting feature of this reaction. क्या interesting लगा ये reaction में? Magnesium, when I burn the magnesium, it forms ashes in water. No. It forms ashes in water. No. वो तो if I burn any metal, it form a luminous flame. Very good. That is called dazzling flame, or we call as a luminous flame. Luminous flame means it burns with a bright light. That is the interesting feature. Anybody can give me example of it? Have you ever experienced such kind of flame while you playing any kind of crackers? I just give a hint also. Yes, which type of cracker it is? In Diwali, yes. Phulzhadi, that is also called sursuri, which is mixed with a sulfur powder and a magnesium. When we just bright it up, it burned with a bright light. That is the interesting feature of magnesium. So whenever you see the magnesium, if it is burned with a bright flame, so that particular material is your magnesium. Understand that, students? So anybody give me the type of reaction? You can see that 2 reactant combined to form only 1 product. So such type of reaction is called no, Bushra. Very good. It is, you can see that magnesium and oxygen are combined to form only 1 product. This is called combination reaction. This is also called combination reaction. So we study the first reaction. Very good. It is a combination reaction. Have you understand this much, student? सर स्टार्ट मत करो, ये जिंक मेटल ऊपर रह गया। जिंक मेटल ऐसा रूलर लिखा है, जिंक मेटल मैंने डाला तो नहीं पता सर, रिकॉर्ड मत करो। स्टूडेंट जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड। नाउ इन दिस रिएक्शन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? In this reaction what we have to do, students? You can see that if you see the table, what we have to do, take some zinc dust in a test tube. हमको zinc dust लेना है test tube के अंदर, and we have to add, what we have to add? Anybody can give me that answer please? What we have to add? What we have to add inside it? In zinc metal, everybody have a science journal I think. So what should I add it? Sulfuric acid? No, it is not written the sulfuric acid. Yes, very good. It is written dilute sulfuric acid. We have to add dilute sulfuric acid. You can also add. Or you can add any kind of acid. आप कोई भी acid डाल सकते हो. It is not just like you have to add that acid and that acid. Okay. Dilute sulfuric acid we have to add. Just give me a second, students. Hello. Am I audible? Just give me a second, please.
5 सेकंड हो गए.
Today we do the practical number 1 and practical number 2. That first, second, third we finish. That last one is remaining. Lead nitrate ka. Just give me a second. Student, this is a zinc metal. You can see that properly. Or it is visible to you? Zinc metal. Are you able to see that zinc metal? It is visible to you? Zinc metal inside the test tube, and I will show you. I put the zinc metal inside it, so you can see it clearly. ये फायर क्या कर रहे हैं? You can see that, student, it is a zinc metal. Are you able to visible? So उसमें भी आएगा ना, रिकॉर्डिंग में आएगा ना, फायर मेटल. क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, what I am just adding, I am adding the sulfuric acid. The acid we can handle it carefully. So I just add it. Just give me a second. Let it fill with the container. I am just adding the acid here. Then I will show you what is the reaction is going on. This much is enough. So I am just closing it to the camera, so you can see it visible. Is it visible, student? Are you able to see? What you are able to see, students? Is anything is happening? You are able to see or not? Is it anything happening? Are you able to see any kind of bubbling also? Very good. If I see it, you can see a gas is also coming out. Is it visible to you? No, I don't know. It is able. You are able to see it or not see it? I just put it here so you can able to see the. It is comes in a large quantity, but due to the light effect, you are not able to see. So are you able to see that bubbling here? Interesting feature is nothing but a bubbling. So what I am doing here, I just try to take the matchstick near to it. मैं एक matchstick लेके इसके पास लेके जाता हूँ. जलता हुआ matches. See it clearly. What will happen? Is it anything happening? I just pouring it. Have you able to see pop sound? Are you able to see that sound? Pop. That is the, or you are able to see the fumes also. You can see the fumes, dark fumes. If you want, I will show you again the sound, that pop sound. Because we are not using the larger quantity, we are using in a smaller quantity, students. So you can see that, student, I just putting here, just carefully. Again you can hear that sound pop करके. Clear? So this is the interesting feature, students. This is the interesting feature. So I am just keeping it aside. So can anybody, now you have to help me, students. What should I do here? Zinc react with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. That transparent gas is nothing but your hydrogen gas, student. How many number of reactants? Can anybody tell me, please? How many reactants? 2. Very good. Number of product? 2. Very good. Is it any interesting feature? इसका कोई interesting feature था? Have you seen any interesting feature, students? Very good. Bubbling. Bubbling and pop sound. Very good. So you can see that first we have to find out it is a bubbling or pop sound with the mastic. When you burning mastic, if the burn mastic you take close to it, so it is just produce a sound like a pop sound. So which type of reaction, can anybody give me that answer please? Here. Very good. Here you can say that zinc replace the hydrogen to form a zinc sulfate. So it is nothing but displacement reaction. So are you able to find out this reaction, students? We did the two reaction, displacement reaction. Have you understand? If in the practical exam, are you able to do it? If you come to the school, if the school will start, you can do once hands-on practice, then you are able to clearly find out. Shall we start, student? The third one. एक last वाला भी है क्या? Okay, third. Okay. See that, student, I taken the lead nitrate. I will show you the lead nitrate solution, student. Just don't worry about it. I will show you the lead nitrate solution. You can see that the lead nitrate solution, it is nothing but it is not a solution, powder, lead nitrate powder. It is just a white color powder. What I am doing here, I am just going to heat it. So student, you can see that I am just heating it. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it, student? Is it visible? Yes, I am just doing what I am doing, I am just heating it. If you heat it, so what will happen after you heating the substance? Student, be careful while holding this. You have to use the holder. Are you able to see some sound of crackling? Sir, आगे ले लें. Yeah, student, I am just keeping the mobile phone in front. Are you able to hear the sound? What kind of sound you are observing? Listening, student? ये कौन सी sound होता है? That is called crackling sound. What is that? It is nothing but a crackling sound. A simple substance, you can say it is nothing a crackling sound. So I am just heating it. What will form? You can see that. If I smell it, student. If I smell it, I don't want to smell because of the nitrogen dioxide present here. I want a volunteer. So I calling Mr. Ajit sir to smell this beautiful lead nitrate oxygen solution. So Mr. Ajit sir will be smelling the sound. I am just again heating it. Student, for practical we require someone to give the dedication. The person who doing the practical, he know what is the in and out, so he doesn't want to smell that sound. So Ajit sir will explain about it. You can see that the smell is not it is just like a rotten egg, pungent smell, this student.
Yes.
Of nitrogen dioxide. So the pungent, that it feels that it is a nitrogen dioxide coming out along with the oxygen. That oxygen is not helpful for us to take it. Have you understand? So I just heated it. After heating, a simple substance is formed. Nothing important, nothing most important thing is formed. Only what is formed is lead nitrate. You can see that, student. Lead oxide is formed. Nitrogen dioxide is coming out as a form of pungent smell. The smell which you directly turn if you drink. Suppose if you have the smell of sulfur, so that sulfur also you directly inhale. It's feel like a pungent, is burning sensation in the nose, and oxygen gas is liberated. So have you understand this type of reaction, student? So I am keeping this aside. So now we will move towards our observation part. Number of reactant, how many? Can anybody see? What is the number of reactant here? Number of reactant is 1. It is given already, not given. Okay. So student, number of reactant is 1. Number of product is how much? 1, 2, 3. Number of product is how much? 3. Very good. Number of product is 3. Interesting features. It is given. Interesting feature of reaction. Simple substance are formed. So no need to worry about interesting feature. Simple substance is formed. Simple substance is formed. And the last one, the type of reaction, student. The type of reaction is decomposition. Very good. Decomposition reaction are the reaction in which one reactant break down into many products. Understand? So this is called decomposition reaction. So this is, we completed the 3 parts, student. We completed the practical number 1. We also completed the practical number 2. The practical number 2 contain 3 reactions. We observe the 3 reactions by experimentally, by doing it. So you can understand that, and you can observe that how the chemistry is very much important, and it is very interesting if you actually practically do the things. And most of the chemistry part is related to our home's remedies. Whatever things available at your home. I taken the salt is also available at your home. Sodium chloride, if I add hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, it also give hydrogen gas. It also form a bubbles. Understand, students? Have you understand? So now we are starting with the practical number 3. Stop here, na? Yeah, stop here. Now you can see that, student, practical number 3. We will complete that practical number 3. It is also very simple. It is okay. Sir, still the voice is coming that way. Your voice is also. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello, hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Double audible? Okay. Now this practical number 3 we will do in the next time, students. So here we are stopping this practicals. Next time on Saturday. Now it is okay. Okay, thank you so much. Now student, that we have to finish the portion. Only the 2th chapter is remaining in the science. After finishing that, we start with the maths practical also. Okay, this today's first and second practical I will put into the Google Classroom. All the reactions and all. You question answer also, multiple choice question also. So I hope today itself you complete it, because tomorrow is Sunday. So you will get a time to finish it up. Okay. So I am just stopping here. Thank you so much. Anybody? So stop here. Na? So any student, I told you yesterday regarding that Quran Khani ka jo aapko bakhshwana hai, Quran Sharif. Anybody want to send anybody want to give the details? Anybody want? Me, Ayan Idrisi, yes, boliye beta. I send it. Google Classroom भेजा है, आप चेक कर लो था. Sir, the trial version is interrupting your voice. It's okay. It's our version only. Welcome. Trial version. Student, I am using one software so that I connected you through mobile phone. तो वो software के लिए sir one Quran बोली थी मैंने. मुस्कान I लो आपका नाम लिख दिया हूँ. Anybody more want to जो कल extra किसी को करना था? I also send in Google Classroom. Okay, okay. And the Surya Yasin. Okay, sir, I told you. Yes, and I returned 10,000. आपको आए थे करीमा करना. Thank you. I check in the Google Classroom once again and I just submitted it. Thank you so much. You can also log out now. Have a nice day. Be safe. Don't play with the chemicals. Don't play with the chemistry. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Preview.